Sylvester, every time go dey come dey eat for person. Yeah, eat this food quick so that he no come follow you drag the food.
Like, I know it's people for your house eat too.
Yes.
I know it's people for your house now.
Every time na person ask you whether they hear the aroma of the food, I no know.
You monitor us. I think they monitor us.
Yes. Who be that?
God have mercy upon us.
No verse. My head just full. I been a welcome.
God have
We just say we will sit down for years. Now sleep cut till they carry us they go. So what do you do?
Oh, na how that the person want bagasu? Na cook bagasu sef.
No.
Everybody hungry self.
So na cook up for
The water cup of the drink water now. You see, I'm not able to.
No say water is left.
in a smoke Igbo.
When you
not get any guy man go your fishing man.
No, nothing dey fishing no.
everybody cheat on themselves.
Only the fishing.
So you not get like other than man go guys.
You get garri for us before.
I know say this papa if you not give me, I don't get anybody when want give me.
Nothing dey handle.
I get 100 naira where I go give am yet. Now 50 naira they see.
Why now?
But you that hotel do pepper soup before na if at all.
He say
Oh, you like the bad person, you know say I get
Nothing change the na he want for himself too.
I don't able to see the 100 naira again on a 50 naira for the see for years. So make okay, I don't see my best. No, you buy the groundnut now.
I believe you be my correct guy. Oh my God. I'll go tell my home, I'll go tell and share money. I'll go up and
No, I know.
Just sit down with the head full. Just
I'm glad say you said no.
No. Go. They come. I'll come. I'll follow the talk here.
The place say they put bagasu soup, vast and enter the house. If I knock it down, no dey waste time before I open for no. But this one, you delay well. Now the place say they put bagasu soup, but it's not bad. The person will say you get 150 for your pocket, give me 100 naira. I go buy ganache. I better give him, I go buy his food for the house. I just dey suffer because